Nice and smooth. Step back again. Take your time. You ain't gotta go too fast. You won't get the flow together. If you don't get the flow together with the burpees, eventually you're gonna get off track. You're gonna get horrible form. Now get your breathing together as you end up hurting some. So take your time. Everybody. After you get your 5, about a minute and a half, then you roll again. I like a minute and a half. What's that? A minute and a half in between each set because you end up breathing, oxygen rolling, then you go again. You gotta have wind when you're doing this. Not about just doing the workouts over and over again and not getting enough wind. You don't always want to do that. Prioritize the form, muscle connection, and your breathing. The fast reps will come. Fast, fast, fast. You gotta start lower before you go to all the way advanced. That's not how it works. You ain't gonna get far with that. Does it make sense? We'll get a few sets in too. We'll keep on teaching these because we're gonna focus a lot on the form, the reps, and the sets, as we do here at Calisthenics Workout Complex. Also, gets to that Bible verse of the day. The wife gonna grab that eventually, so we can be able to talk about that for a little bit. The same thing with the workouts every single time. New coming through is this Calisthenics Workout Complex. Do this every single week. You're catching these clips. Every workout is live streamed. Every workout is real time. I gotta ask questions, which I gotta do. Make sure you go to the YouTube. That's where the channel that I go live on. Okay? Makes sense? Give me that salute. We got 8 more seconds. We're gonna roll again. We got straight bar dips. Straight bar dips gonna emphasize a lot. Timer go off. We always keep a timer when I work out. I don't understand how you guys work out without a timer. How you know how much time you rest in between sets and rest between and exercise and all that if you don't have a timer. I don't understand it. It makes sense. You gotta time your stuff. All right. So we up, straight bar dips, legs straight down. Trying our best to have our elbows close to our body as possible. What that's gonna do is be able to get more emphasis on the triceps. So you get that thick tricep, almost cursed. Yep. So here, elbows close as possible. Down, up. Try standing straight up, chest up high, squeezing the top. Squeeze correctly, you lock your triceps. Wrong. These, beginner style, between 7 and 10, you're feeling good. You can't get a dip yet. Start at the bottom and do tricep push-ups. You can't get dips yet. I'll show you real quick. You can't get straight bar dips or regular dips yet. Come down, do diamond push-ups. Here, diamond. Come here, the diamond where right in the middle of your chest. Elbows close as possible. Elbows in. Start to do those first before you get to the dips. You got to start somewhere. All right. I bet 8 minutes in. I bet. Hey, 30 gonna go by fast. Very fast. But most of our lives have been 30 minutes about. Haven't it? Just about. Yeah. Because what we did, huh? Okay, we're gonna do one set and then we'll get to that. All right, so we got chin ups, arms length. We'll do legs will be tucked. A little bit shorter. We want legs to be tucked. We get a little bit of the abs in, but more emphasis on them biceps. Big strong pull on the biceps. Yeah. Up. Big pull. Make sure you're trying your best to pull with your biceps. You will get your lats in. There's no way around that. But you want to pull what you can with them biceps, as much as you can. Calisthenics is compound movements. Compound. And a lot of muscles are working at once to you achieve that exercise. But just slowly try to change up your form, your tempo, and your mind and muscle connection to hit certain muscles. So I say you can eliminate your back when you're doing chin-ups, but you can try to push the intensity on your biceps. Okay. Right back to the burpees. Strong burpees. First, got a 3-pump burpee today. Calisthenics Workout Complex way. So what we doing here? We're here. Legs together, hit the stomach, toes. 1, 2, 3. Right up. On that last one, push off the ground. Start over. Here, toes, 3. Again. 2, 3. Push yourself all the way up. Let's move. Move with the burpee. Do it again. Again, we don't jump on our burpees. We're not cheerleaders. I'm caring about the cardio portion. Caring about not too much impact. Focus a lot on the breathing, my abs, my shoulders, chest and triceps. We get a lot of muscles. We do the burpees. Those are the main components I'm trying to do on my burpees.